If you're planning to start a new business and then you're wondering where to start from, don't worry, I've got you covered. That's why I'm here, so keep watching. Today, I'll be sharing tips on how to do market research for a new business. How to do market research for a new business. First of all, what is market research? Okay, so market research is the process of gathering information you need about your consumer needs and preference. That's it. All what you need is your consumer need and preference. So that's all. So when you're thinking of doing market research, think of your consumers, think of what they need. And also, why market research? Why do I need market research? I want to start a business. Why don't I do other things? Why am I jumping to market research? Why am I rushing to do market research? Why am I starting with market research? Okay, I am here to just throw more light on the reason why you need market research. Okay, so market research allows you to know your potential customers. Know where they are, what they need, and how you intend to solve their problem. Just that. So where they are, what they need, how you intend to solve their problem, your potential customers, where they are. So that's why you need to do a proper market research to locate your customers and know where they are. Is it the demographics of your customers, the age, the gender, the location, whatever you need. Also, the psychographics also matters. Their hobby, what exactly do they love doing, their interests. All this matters when you are doing market research. So now I'm going to take you down to how you go about it, how you do your market research, how you intend to put things in place, the step-by-step processes, the information you need, what you need to know, and how you intend to run the whole process of market research. Yes, that's why I'm here. So you don't need to bother yourself. Just keep watching the video. Every necessary information you need about market research is going to be highlighted in this video. Now, the first thing is to know your target market. Target market has to do with who you intend to sell to. Those are your potential customers. Who are they? What are their needs? What are the needs of these your potential customers? What do they want? Also consider how you intend to use your product or service to solve their problem. Yes, how you intend to use your product and service to solve their problem. Now you know your potential customers, you know what they want. How are you going to use your product and service to solve the problem? Keyword research is very important in understanding what your potential customers need. It is very important because this is going to guide you on searching for the high traffic name, not just the name, high traffic product, high traffic keywords being searched by people in your industry. Yes, your niche, that's the niche we are talking about here. So this is also going to guide you to know your potential customers, the real people you're looking for. So when you do the right search, you get them. It's there. So you get to know about the right set of people you're looking for, their gender, location, the high traffic keywords being searched in your industry. And also, how will your product or service solve their problem? Yes, now you found your niche, you found the potential customers, and then you're trying to look for a way to solve the problem. You know what they want now. You know exactly what they need. So how will your product or service solve their problem? So you have to think about that and get it done. Know what exactly you're doing to solve a problem. You're coming to offer value. You're coming to impact. You're coming to create value. So be ready to solve a problem. The problem has to be found. First of all, you're looking for customers. You found your customers. Now you're looking for what they want using the keywords and also the problem you intend to solve. Also, analyze your competition. When you're talking about competition, know that we have people in that industry that has been there before you. So you're thinking of your competitors. So this is when SWOT comes in, SWOT analysis comes in. So you think about your strengths, think about your weaknesses, your opportunities and threats. That's when we have a SWOT. So this is very important. Okay, what is their unique advantage? You need to know their unique advantage. I'm talking about your competitors' unique advantage. Is it the price? Is it the quality? Is it the quantity? Is it availability? Is it timeliness? So, what is their unique advantage? Once that is found, you look for a way to beat that competition. You look for a way to beat their competition. Now you found that okay, and the owner of this secondary school is one of the best in town. That's because he has the best quality education, or the staff are well paid, and this and that. And then you're coming to beat that competition that's already there. It's a lot of work here. So when you're thinking of that, think about your own unique selling proposition. Unique selling proposition. Look for a way. At this stage, you can consider a delayed gratification. You don't hurry to make profits. Take your time. This is actually the time for you to take advantage of the human resources of friends and families and loved ones. Yes, you can use them, not necessarily going to get some well-paid staff to pay a lot of money. You're just starting, remember, so you don't have a lot of money. So at this point, you need to start gradually. Yes. We also remember that you are trying to beat the competition because already we have people in the field. Look for their loopholes. What is that thing the key player is doing? What is that thing the key player is not doing right? What is that thing the key? Note them, take them. So when you have all these things listed and you know the key player is doing this thing extremely beautiful and amazing, and then you're coming in to also do better. You look for the loopholes as well. What are they not doing right? Take advantage and do the best. Yes. So if you discover that there is this big player, okay, the school is there and is already big and they've gained market share. Thank you. After gaining the market share, they have a lot of money already. They are paying teachers well. They have good tools, good facilities in the school. Beat that competition. Look for a way and use the little resources you have, not necessarily spending a lot of money. So you can do that and still gain market share. Yes. Just know that primarily, you are coming to make a difference. You are coming to stand out. You're coming to be unique. You're coming to make the best. So don't belittle yourself. Yeah, fine. Embrace your little beginnings and all that. But then you're coming in big. With the little you have, you're coming in to show them that, okay, I'm coming to stand out. This is a brand that is better off than the existing brands. That's it. So market research is extremely important in knowing your potential customers, knowing what they want, and also having able to solve that problem that is already there by the potential customers, what they want. So once you come in and you've been able to find out the potential customers, their age, location, where they are, whatever, then you've been able to identify their needs and you solve the problem. That's fine. You've been able to achieve it. Once this is done, this will enable you to create your marketing plan tailored to fit your audience. Tailored to fit your audience. These plans include your unique selling points, your marketing strategy, as well as your budget. How much do you have, to weigh the options and all that. Once that is done, you'll be able to feed the audience. You'll be able to do what is right in the right way. Okay, so I hope you've been able to understand the necessary steps needed in doing a market research. That's for a new business if you haven't started yet. Just make sure you remember that you have to know your target audience, and your target audience are the people that your potential buyers know what they want and have the problem solved. Have a way to solve their problem. Okay, that's it. So when you know your target audience, identify the competition and try and solve the problem. Take advantage of your competition. Yes, we have competitors, I said earlier. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, Please do also subscribe to this channel as we have a lot to talk about: business development, growth, how to collaborate in business, how to market your business, how to a whole lot. So just make sure you subscribe, like and share my videos so you get every information about your business, about how to grow your business and how to market your business.